Huh?
Green one.
I thought I'm gonna be strong and eat chili, but damn it, man. Mamma mia.
Green one. Why so good? You like it? Right. Enak. Right. Enough, thank you.
Okay.
Sabar. So your boss allowed you to holiday.
She came to me, she said, "Does you want to take Friday half day?" I said, "I'd appreciate it if I can take it next week, because my wife wants to go away." And she said, "Okay." Yeah, and I tell her about waterfall. Yeah,
She been there.
we'll enjoy it. Go on Thursday. Go, no problem. So,
How much to rent car per day? $2,000.
2,000 rand.
2,000 rand. 2 million a day.
Like 8 million for the 4 days.
Check what activities we gonna do. Do we need a car or not? If not, we can rent the car only for 1 day.
If you want to drive into Zambia and you want to go do cane drive, you can do. But then one day you're going to spend in Zambia.
Then I have to buy multiple visa, not a single entry.
You buy it there to cross. It's a multiple entry.
No.
You get it there at the bridge.
When you landing in Zimbabwe, you have to buy. So you out from Zimbabwe to Zambia, you can come back to Zimbabwe. That's what I read the information.
Okay, what I read was there's a bridge that you can walk across to Zambia. You can buy a visa there. It's called, it's got a funny name. Multiple entry, and then you can cross into Zambia and you can go walk Zambia also if you want.
I don't read about the information, I just read about if you want to cross to see the another side, viewpoint from the Zambia, you have to directly, from Zimbabwe one, you have to buy multiple visa. If not, you cannot go to Zimbabwe and you enter back to Zimbabwe, cannot. You can get out from Zimbabwe directly, but you cannot come back to Zimbabwe.
At the airport when you arrive there. Oh, mamma mia. Stop it out.
Thank you for watching.